We've all had that dream to play college ball one time or another. But what does it truly take to be a collegiate athlete? Well, on this show, we're going to find out. We're going to talk to athletes from softball, football, basketball, tennis, and soccer and see what it takes to perform at the highest level. We'll pick their brains to see what kind of techniques and practice methods they go through to help them perform at their ability for their position. And then I'll ask them if they have any tips that they can provide to me to help perform at that position as well. And at the end of the show, I'll go one-on-one with the athlete to see if I can hack it. This is the Walk-On.
The three-point shot was adopted by the NBA in 1979. It wasn't until 1986 that the NCAA implemented the three-point shot, followed by high school basketball in the next year. The distance of a three-pointer varies from each level of competition. The NBA's three-point line is 22 foot in the corners and 23 foot 9-inch everywhere else. WNBA and international leagues play with a 20-foot 6-inch three-point line. NCAA men's game has a 20-foot 9-inch three-point line, and a 19-foot 9-inch three-point line is used for the NCAA women's and high school level competition. What goes into making the perfect three-pointer? Math, or more importantly physics. We all know the shortest distance to any point is a straight line. So to make a straight line, we perform a jump shot. Jumping while shooting closes the distance between you and the hoop, which increases your chance of making the shot. Jumping isn't the only factor though. The angle at which the ball is shot and the backspin of the ball while in motion both play key roles in achieving the perfect shot. Most successful three-point shooters release the ball slightly overhead at an approximate angle of 48 degrees. This angle provides the widest opening for the ball to enter the hoop, giving a better chance of a made shot. The backspin placed on the ball also provides an added increase to your shot being made. This backspin slows the speed of the basketball as it comes down towards the rim, and if slightly overshot, hitting the rim will make the ball bounce backwards and downward into the net. When we come back, we'll speak with Terrell Wilson, freshman guard, and ask what helps him to prepare for a game and shooting the three-point shot.
Each path to success is a journey.
At MSU Texas, you can set yourself up for success while learning on your own terms. Faculty mentors, research opportunities, real-world experiences, and individual attention are just a few of the many advantages of an MSU Texas education.
Live, lead,
and learn in a vibrant, creative community.
Make connections that will last a lifetime and prepare for the careers of tomorrow, today.
Take the first step of your journey with MSU Texas.
All right, we're back with Terrell Wilson here, MSU Mustang basketball player. Terrell, I just thank you for coming out here and interviewing me here on the Walk-On. I appreciate that. Just get into it. Like, what is your mindset and your goals? Like, what do you go through to prep for a game?
Well, as a young kid, I've always been told, focus at least 5 hours before the game. Like, it takes extra focus to be prepared for the game. So I just get focused by listening to one of my favorite songs by any artist.
What's one of your favorite songs that you're listening to right now?
It's called 4 Times by DaBaby.
DaBaby?
Yeah, he's a new artist out. And I like listening to him because
kind of get you in the zone?
Yeah, kind of switch up the flow.
So what kind of practices do you go through? Do you go through just repetition of shots? Do you work on different techniques, weight room? I mean, what is all encompassed in your preparation, not just before the game in itself, but weeks before the actual game starts?
Weeks before the actual game? Well, in the weight room, I try to go hard as possible. So when I get on the court, it could just translate easily. And on the court, I waste as much energy in practice as I can. Like with shooting, like I'll waste my energy and then shoot. So in the game, I'll be prepared for that moment. Like at the end of the game, if I'm tired and I take a shot, I'll be used to it.
So kind of like they say back in high school, practice like you're gonna play, essentially.
Yeah.
So when it comes to basketball, I mean, you've got all these aspects. What position do you actually play?
I play the point guard and the shooting guard. So I'm kind of interchangeable.
Interchangeable.
I can play either one because at the end of the day, it's just basketball and you have to play it
Right.
the same way.
But you're more predominantly you're the one or the two, so you're the facilitator or you're going to be taking the shot. Is there a specific spot on the court that you feel at home, like your sweet spot? I know now if you're Steph Curry, half court's your sweet spot, anything on this side, but is there like one part that's more home to you that you feel more comfortable with?
I would say the right wing. That's the most comfortable spot on the court to me.
On a daily practice level or your free time, how many three-point shots do you try to get in a day to help that repetition, to help that muscle memory?
I try to get in at least 300.
300 threes?
Yeah, 300 threes and like at least 500 shots in total. Like pull up, mid-range, and
That's every single day?
yeah, every single day.
That's crazy. Along with schoolwork and everything else?
Yeah,
That's
it's kind
insane.
of hard to manage, but
Yeah.
in order to get crazy results, you have to do crazy things.
No, I love that. That's a good saying for sure. Well, I feel like taking from what you're saying here, I feel like that we should have a little healthy one-on-one competition.
That's fine.
You know
by
what I
me.
say?
That's fine.
All
by
right.
me.
So we'll come right back after this break, and I'll take Terrell on here in a little three-point competition.
Each path to success is a journey.
At MSU Texas, you can set yourself up for success while learning on your own terms. Faculty mentors, research opportunities, real-world experiences, and individual attention are just a few of the many advantages of an MSU Texas education.
Live, lead,
And learn in a vibrant, creative community.
make connections that will last a lifetime, and prepare for the careers of tomorrow, today.
Take the first step of your journey with MSU Texas.
All right, welcome back. So again, I appreciate you coming on here. So at this time, we're just going to go one-on-one, see if I can hack it and potentially be the walk-on. So what we'll do is we have a ball rack here. We'll each get 10 shots apiece, and whoever makes the most wins. You ready?
Sounds fun to me.
Good luck. At least I got one.
You got one.
I got one. May not be a walk-on for basketball, so Terrell, I appreciate it, man. Appreciate you giving me a chance to go one-on-one. Is there any last words you'd like to give the viewers?
I have a YouTube channel, and I would like you guys to go subscribe. It's called Playaway, Playaway.
All right, you heard it there. Here's Play Away on YouTube. Go check my man out. We're listening. Craig Tidmore. Walk On.